What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be unboxing the Mezi 300 watt cob, and I'll be testing it out real quick for you. So oh, she's tight in there. So you just look at this for now. Beautiful light. Let's peel this off. Let's give her a little test run. Ooh, she's bright. Real bright. Not loud at all. Beautiful light. Anyway, peace out.